Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can deploy a new environment from Power Platform Admin Center, that is PPAC. For that, I will open my browser and I will go to this URL. Okay, the URL is very simple: https://admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. I will simply press enter. This will navigate me to home page of Power Platform Admin Center. From there, I can go to manage. Okay, and here you can click on your environment, and here you can see I have two environments currently, so I can deploy a new one here. I can give a name to my environment. Let us say I want to give Sagar. You need to select a group. I will go with none. Here reason is again important because depending upon the reasons you can have plus and minus of your features, but I will go with United States because it have good amount of features. Then here also I can select this get early features. Okay, and here's the important thing. So most of the time you'll be selecting Sandbox only if you want to, if you'll be working on demos and production, the live environment. But I will go with the developer one here. All right, so let me click on next, and here you can choose your language and currency, and I will deploy the sample apps and data as well. I will save this. Okay, as soon as your environment, like when it will start provisioning, so you will get the status preparing. So it will take some amount of time for sure, and I see it is ready. Usually it will take some time if you will deploy a sandbox or something like that. Here you can see everything, for example your region that we selected, and here is exactly the release cycle, so we'll get the features early. Now if I'll open my environment here, alright, here is my URL. I can navigate to URL. So it will take some time as it is my first login into this environment. You can get the database version. So I'll wait for this app to get loaded. And so here, like couple of, published apps like sample data. So let me click here and probably will get some data as well. Alright, so here you see our environment is pretty ready. And from here I can go to make.power apps and I should see a few sample tables as well. So I'll click on all. So here you see we are getting out of the box table, and let me open this table as well, account table. So you see all the schema is ready for us, and we can play with this environment, and we have a good amount of tables here. Alright, so this is how you can easily deploy environment from Power Platform Admin Center. And let me give you a few more additional information as well. So here this is also a good option. So basically if you have sufficient amount of capacity available, then you can go with this option. It gives you some, I would say, more features as compared to developer version. So probably you can select this option and can deploy your environment if you have the sufficient capacity storage available. Thanks for watching this video.